welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. We have us a 2018 Subaru Outback. We're going to be replacing some CV axles. Both CV axles are the same for each side, so there's no difference. If you order one, it's the exact same right or left. And the procedure to do the same is the same right or left. Alright, we're going to remove our brake hose, the little clip here for the ABS sensor. We're going to remove the 32 millimeter nut on the front of the axle. We're going to take out these two bolts. This will allow the front knuckle to swing down, and then we can push out the axle and get it out this way. I have seen some where they've taken off the tie rod end, but I'm not doing so in this process. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is going to take out a 12 here. So we need a 19 wrench on one side, socket on the other. The upper one also has a washer. This will be thicker right here, so if you try and put this at the bottom, it's not going to happen. So you got to make sure that you put the same one back in there, otherwise you'll be fighting that bottom one and you're wondering why the hell is it not coming out? You know, because it's a different bolt. Hammer in action, push it in, up that way. Okay. Alright. So this moves down, moves out of the way. I use a jack just to give me a little bit more resistance, especially when putting it back in. So I'll put a jack underneath where the ball joint is at, so I can, look at that. So it can pick it up and move it out of the way, because this little piece right here and then this you have to rotate in order to get it back into place. So we're going to push out our CV axle. The rust penetrant in there. It'll come out easy. Alright, it is loose all the way. Now we will pry bar. Yes, you can take off the you can take off the tie rod end. It will make this process a little bit easier, but I'm doing so in the spirit of taking off as little as possible. Get it to clear. caliper like that. The bottom cover will need to come off as well. All it is a couple of trim clips that hold it in place. The big skid plate. And then from here, we're going to go right back there. The bottom half, I'm going to use a pry bar, and I'm going to try and pop it out. If it doesn't pop out that way, put the pry bar in there. Use a little hammer or pickle fork, works the same. Just put it in there and it's just going to pop itself free. The other side, I don't have any transmission fluid coming out, so I don't expect it on this one either. So I'm going to pause it right here, go in there, pop that out, and then we'll get the rest of this out this way. Alright, as noted, I got that pop loose back there. Took a little bit of a pry bar, got it wedged up against the back half of it, and as the pry bar was moving up, it just pushed out the CV axle. So got it loose, just pull it out, there. New piece of equipment, back the same way, clean the brake lines. Pick it up, put it right in. Just like that. Not quite all the way in yet. There we go. Now you can feel it seated. All right. So now we're going to bend this up in this direction, push this down, and now we slide right in. Here comes the fun part. I'm not gonna be able to show you real easy without this camera moving all over the place, but I'm gonna have to turn this and line these two up in order to get that bolt into position. I'm gonna line it up kind of front, and sorry for the shakiness. You can rotate your hub to get the CV axle to go through. And once you've gone through, put the nut on the end of it. Also helps hold it up in place. Here comes the front part. Once it gets lined up in there, now use that jack I was telling you. And get it in place. Remember, top bolt different than bottom bolt. SOP. Use a screwdriver or a punch to line up the bottom one. That. On the jack being over there, it gives the less stress on everything here, so it'll line back up with much greater ease. Tight, put a 12 in there, put our clip back in. And that is that. The next thing you do is just put that bottom paneling back on, and away you roll. Tighten up our big 32-inch nut. Is that it? 30, yep, 32. So, any questions, comments? Feel free to let me know.